Or welcome back. Today we're going to be testing the power levels of the TYT TH350 Triband Tri-Display Radio on 2 meters, 220, and 440. We'll test the high and low settings. Not going to be a very long video, but I'm curious what this radio does for power output, because if you've seen the video, the Baofeng BF850S 220 Tribander, I'm not able to key the 220 repeaters. Yes, this one has the longer 17-inch antenna, which is probably making that difference. But is this 5 watts or is this radio 6 watts? If you remember in the video, the UV88, the TYT TH-UV88 to be more specific, seen on VHF high power, it was 6 watts. UHF high power was 5.2, which was really surprising. So, will this be a win or a fail? Let's find out together. Okay, so I'm going to need the meter, going to need a coupler, and then I'm going to need that dummy load. Let me dig everything out. I get everything kind of scattered here. Okay, I'm on 223/500, and we're going to try the low power setting. 1.4 watts. Not bad. Let me spare you me fumbling with the video. I'll get to high power and I'll be right back. Okay, we're on 223/500. High power testing. Ooh, wicked. 7.1 watts. Oh, wow. That is amazing. Wow. Okay, I was going to use my all-star node frequency 446/100 for this test, but somebody's on there and I don't want to interfere with them because this dummy load does radiate apparently. So we're on 446 low power, 1.7 watts. Not bad. Let me get to high power. Okay, we're on high power, 446 flat, 5.3 watts. Peaked 5.4 there for a minute. Not bad. Let's get to VHF 2 meters. Okay, I'm on 146.52, low power, AA1PR. It's 1.2 watts. Let's get to high power. High power 146.52, AA1PR. Ooh, 5.3, 5.4. Say 5.3. That's most impressive, don't you say? But I am really amazed that on 220 at 7.1. So this meter isn't really made for 220. Goes from what is the band limits? I think 125 to 4 something, 500 something, 525. So it should cover 220. So if this radio produces more on 220 than it does on 2 meter 440. That's probably why I was able to make this the 220 repeaters off this HD with this high gain antenna, or couldn't do it with the Baofeng BF850S. So anyways, thanks for standing by and viewing this kind of short video, but anyways, gives us an idea what this radio is capable of into a good antenna. Please like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell notification for future videos. Use our Amazon link in the description below for any and all purchases. Our Bridgecomm affiliate link for any amateur radio purchases over there. If you'd like to support this channel, help us keep making great videos like this, support us on patreon.com/simplyhamradio. Everybody be safe and take care. 7-3.